What I'm actually going to do, I'm going to bring it down, quickly land it, and then press the record button and do a little video with it. Hello everyone, Mark here, and today I'm just going to be flying my Hubsan X4 H107C. This thing is such a cool little drone. It's one of the cheapest drones in my collection, but it's one of the drones that I have most fun with as well. It's just flawless, this one anyway. Now some of you probably know my opinions on Hubsan. It's not great, but that's just because of my personal experience. I've had a lot of Hubsan drones go wrong, but this one here is just flawless. I've had it about a year and a half and it's just been flawless since day one, and these things take a beating, but not only that, it's just so much fun to fly, and it's a very capable flyer as well. Non-altitude hold, you can adjust the speed settings from expert to normal, but you can also individually adjust the pitch of the drone to give you more speed. It's just a great little drone. I highly recommend it. It's got a little camera on, which is useless, but I'll do a little recording for you as well, why not? So what we're going to do, we're going to turn the transmitter on, then we're going to plug the battery in, just like so. The drone's going to self bind, then we're going to just calibrate it, just like so. Okay, we're ready to go. We are ready to go. So I'm going to fly around in normal mode. So this is its slow mode. Now obviously it's a non-altitude hold, so you've got to do all the work yourself, but as you can see, it's quite a stable flyer. There we go. So let's take it out and take it for a bit of a fly. Now as you can see there, it's not slow by any means, and that's in slow speed, and the speed is set to 60%, so that's quite cool. It does flips and that as well, but in expert mode, but I've got that turned off. I don't see the point really. It doesn't have acro mode, so I'm not one for just pressing a button and doing flips, to be honest. But yeah, this is such a cool little drone to fly. Now like I say, I've given this thing a beating, but it just still goes really nicely. What I'm actually going to do, I'm going to bring it down, quickly land it, and then press the record button and do a little video with it. Okay, so let's bring it back down for a landing. That'll do. Okay, so what we need to do, on the bottom here, you've got a little button. You press this button in, it will actually start recording. Hopefully, there we go, little red light. Another good thing about this drone, watch, I will chuck it in the air to get it going. Nice. Okay, so let's just fly it around a bit. Love this drone. Such a cool little drone. Let's see if we can get some half decent footage with it. Try and keep it steady. Nice. Just fly it around a little bit. Nice and easy. Okay, so let's go a bit faster now. Very fun little drone. Very fun. Now if I don't talk much, that's just because I'm having fun. This drone flies so well, and you get around 5 to 7 minutes flight from each battery. But I've got about 10 batteries, so you can pick this drone up for around £20, which is just a great bargain. Try and get a bit of a closer view for you guys. Such a cool little drone. Now obviously you can take the prop guards off if you want, but this thing, like I say, it takes a beating, and I don't even care if I crash it, to be honest, because I know how strong it's going to be. So I just keep the prop guards on, and it actually helps with orientation because I've cut the back panel out as well, so it really helps me with orientation. So let's just quickly get some height. I'll show you. This thing is very capable drone. This thing will go out of sight, that's for sure. There we go. We're right up there, and it's having no trouble whatsoever. Look, such a cool drone, such a cool drone. Okay, so let's bring it back down. Now I've got my Spark with me as well as a few other drones, so I'm going to bring this one down to land now and do some videos with my Spark. But this is just such an enjoyable drone. I want to keep this video short, then I'm going to just have some fun with it off camera. So this is the Hubsan X4 H107C, and I actually highly recommend it, guys. You want a little fun drone, pick this up, or wait and go for the Hubsan H107D, which is 5.8 gigahertz FPV. The only downside of that is the flight range on those are nowhere as good as the flight range on these. But yeah, that's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed the flight as much as I did. Please hit that subscribe button. Happy RCing, everyone. Take care. Bye bye.